So with PM, personal mastery, if you have any sort of feeling in your life that you have a good feeling, but you feel like things could be slightly better, a lot better, something is a little, could be a little bit different, and you don't quite know what to do or what to think next, if you're feeling a little bit of just confusion overall, as a human, PM is a really good place to start. So I'm 38, and when I went through PM, it was last year, I was 37. Oh, actually, no. It was a long time ago. It was before COVID. So I've had kind of an interesting experience with it. However, when I went, my friend had told me, I see things that you do in your life. I hear things that you're saying to me. It feels like you want like a next step. You want to improve something that you're doing. I really think this could help. My friend was very, very nice to me and saw something in me that I wasn't even aware of at the time. And when I went to PM, there was so many things that were going on. Personally, I felt overwhelmed with just the amount of things that I learned about myself that I really didn't even realize was a thing until these different, games and activities that we played really brought that out. And the great part is I got to choose what I did with that information. So if there were 3 things that I could tell you that PM really did for me, kind of changed my life. One is I've met so many incredible people that I never would have ran into before, probably, because there's people from all over the world that come together for these things. And you have your small, circle of friends where you're at, but you get to meet just amazing human beings who truly, truly, truly care about you. They want to know how you're doing, and they don't just ask, how you doing? And then they carry on with their life and don't even listen to what you say. They truly care about you. They want to see you succeed. They want to help you succeed if they're able to. It's a great community. PM is the place to meet all of the wonderful people. I learned a lot about myself, and there's some things, like I said, that I didn't even know was happening, a pattern that maybe I didn't realize that I had. Some of them are good patterns, some of them aren't helping me at all, and it really helped me to see myself more fully. It was a wonderful thing, very eye-opening. Things that I'm excited about in my life right now is open. It's question mark. Like, I get to choose what happens next. And I'm not saying that in the sense of I can predict my future and everything has to happen exactly how I want it to happen. It just means I have the power of choice, and instead of maybe feeling like life happens to me, I have more say in what happens in my life. And even if things don't go my way or the way that I think that they need to go, I can still be happy and joyful and at peace with things that aren't exactly how I thought that they should look. But I always have that ability to go create another thing. Again, there's so many great human beings here, from students just like me to the staff to the core team. It's not just people who they'll see you when they see you and they give you a hug and carry on with their lives. Everyone cares. Yes, everybody has their own